Hi guys, what's up? Anyways, so I have to be kind of quiet because my sister lives up here. She's outside right now, but I think she's gonna be back up here soon. Anyways, so this is Ipsy, right? I get it every month, and I'm gonna have to stop if I don't actually start making these videos. There's a whole reason I get this, and I've been getting it for 2 years. Anyways, so this is the Glambag Plus, right? I get both, but again, I had to cancel it or suspend it. Anyways, this don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Yellow stuff inside. I get extra shit sometimes, so some of this doesn't belong in here specifically. Some of it does. I will try to say the retail price of the stuff that does belong in here, but I will tell you like when it was add-on stuff and how much I think I paid extra for it. Let me just real quick. Okay, so first thing on the list is this. It says in the palm of your hand because it's by the Balm Cosmetics, right? Volume 2. So these are usually like the little sample guys, right? Cute. I don't know if it's really... Yeah, I don't know if it's really for me, but these are all like powders or shadows, it says, and then this is a bronzer, and then these are eyeshadows, right? And then I guess that one could be a highlighter. I don't know, whatever. I might try it, might not. The retail price for this is $32. And then, sorry, this is gonna be like kind of fast too, because like I said, and there she is. The packaging. I have literally no idea why he's yelling. I'm not gonna edit this either. It says Mix Professional Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. Wow, good one shade when you can mix and match and layer 8. Super matte blush shade onto the apple civet shapes, top off with a shimmery shade for a glam touch. It brings out your bone structure. So this is that. There's literally 2 shades that are shimmers. These two, which, I mean, honestly, pretty. Yeah, I would probably use all of these, to be honest. I don't know. Someday I'll actually do like a sit down get ready with me thing, but I don't know, maybe after like my sister moves out 6 years. This is $20 by the lady. Hello, kitten. This is I watched another YouTuber call this brand Farah, but I think it's Farah. I don't know. 5-piece brush set, eye perfection set. Dip the ultra lightweight 205 Fly Wings brush and cream liner to hug the top lash line gently. Pat eyeshadow into the fresh line to set. Except for okay, I guess it is. See, that was a freaking thick brush. I would not put liner in that. I'll show you. What's this one? I don't want to unseal it. So this is $48. But anyways, these are some I got added on, I think, for like $12. The YouTubers talk about these. Apparently this is a retail value of $50. What do you think? I mean, they look cute, but we know they're all plastic. This one I would use for eyeliner or eyebrows. TBH. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, so that's that. I added that one on for 12. Just so we know. This is Suva Beauty. Never tried these. Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. Their value is $26. Let's see. I have the glitter drops by Cover Effects and I've been trying to sell them because they're not my jam. Anyways, there's even a snow on there, so I'm not gonna open it. $26. That's not bad. And then this Pure Leaf Luminous Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen. I really like these products, so I'm crazy about that. And it says $45. So that's cool. That's everything plus the one added on thing. The other added on thing I got was the Bye Bye moisturizing full coverage moisturizer. That was $12. And then this was $3. Coco Cabana. Apparently this smells really good. Or maybe it's the yellow one that smells good, I don't know. This was only $3, so it smells like, yeah. Oh, that smells good. It's like, Island Punch, or not like, but like butter and coconut and pineapples and coconut, and I love it. I would definitely keep this in my purse if I was allowed to take my purse to work. Anyways, that's it for today. I already opened my BoxyCharm, so it's too late for that one. If I keep getting them, or like when I start getting them again in October, maybe then I'll do it. But yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye.